Expelled from Colorado Springs. Repeated the 6th grade in CSC due to misconduct. Sent to the Denver Juvenile Service Center for 18 months in the middle of the 7th grade. So, what is it you expect from me by the end of the summer?
I want you to teach me how to become a businessman.
Say again, Jimmy.
I want you to teach me how to become a Fortune 500 businessman. And it's James, Uncle Tim.
So you want to be a businessman, eh?
Yeah, sports game mostly.
Sports. Walk with me, Jimmy. I got a job for you. Mr. Dole, bring me my reports, please.
Yes, Mr. Cox.
You kidding me, right?
You wanted a job. Here it is.
I have some amazing ideas I want to throw around.
Look, I've got plenty of men and women back in the main office doing their QWERTY work, but not a soul to fix this old guardian fence of mine. You're free labor. Remember the first 3 rules of business, Jimmy. Budget, budget, and budget. Now let's see what you can do. Come on, all I want to do is see if you know how to hammer a nail.
I know how to hammer a nail. There's already nails in it. What do you want me to do?
I told you what I wanted you to do. Hold on. Try again.
Where do you want it?
A little lower. Lower.
It's already past the fence.
Lower, Jimmy. Can you go a little higher? Got a question, Jimmy? Don't waste that nail, Jimmy. You didn't bend it.
I'm done.
What?
Fucking done.
Did I say you were?
I fucking say so, you fucking shitbag.
Mr. Gold, take those back to the office.
Yes, Mr. Cox.
I don't know how you got to this point in your pathetic life, but I'm not gonna let it go any further the way you've been living it.
Who the fuck are you to tell me how to live my goddamn life?
The man you want to kickstart your future, Jimmy!
I told you it's fucking James!
Less than you petulant little shit! My brother may not have the backbone to whip his own flesh and blood into shape, but I've broken baser men than you. Try me again and you'll be making out with that hammer!
You can't keep me here, old man.
Hey, where are you gonna go? Back to the dorm? You gonna call your daddy on the phone and ask him to send you money that you're living on your own again?
I can take care of myself.
Ha! With that attitude, thought I'd just give you a job that hundreds of hardworking men and women in my firm would die for. You, a kid 2 years in the college, and with a history of juvenile delinquency. I can see right through you, kid. That air of toughness is just your compensation for lack of balls! Now pick the hammer up. Pick it up! What, are you little more than a trained dog? Use the fucking thing! What, are you blind? Go back where you left off. Higher! 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 Lower! Higher! 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 Lower! Higher! Lower! Lower! Higher! Now you know how it feels. Those are called tears, kid. Something you've been needing to feel on your face for a long time now.
Why are you doing this to me?
This is called misplaced aggression. We both inherited your granddad's bad temper. I've learned to use it deliberately to build my firm. You've been using it instinctively to smash people's faces in. It's the kind of anger you always end up regretting. Pound your spite into the world. Even when you try to make amends, the damage remains.
Think this.
You're right. I've done all I've come here to do. I'm going back to my office now. Feel free to rest, leave, go jogging, whatever. Just get it out of your system.
Evening, Uncle Tim. I'm really sorry for walking out on you. Evening, sir. Evening, sir. Evening, sir. Evening, Mr. Cox. The great Timothy Cox. Fortune fucking 500 businessman. Jack of all trades and master of none. So fucked up.
What